Humifood is a made-in-Italy perfect cool humidification system by Idrobase Group, specially designed to preserve the freshness of food such as fruits and vegetables, fish and meat. Humifood is a system which extends the life of fruit and vegetables, fish and meat, preventing their dehydration thanks to filtered and disinfected water sprayed on stands through nozzles located along a steel or polyamide line. Humifood extends the life of these products, rehydrating them with an action that serves to reduce weight loss and keep freshness. Humifood allows you to increase sales and reduce product losses by up to 50%. No neutralization system on the market can ensure advantages of Humifood. Humifood is generally less expensive than other systems on the market. Absorbs only 125 watt when nebulizing and 20 watt in standby modality. Quick installation, very low maintenance. It uses an integrated disinfection system that guarantees water hygiene, which most competing systems do not have. Keeps insects away. It has a built-in timer that allows you to manage the necessary degree of humidification. The anti-drip system to avoid unpleasant dripping on products. Humifood can be inserted either in refrigerated stands or open islands and easily fits any structure. Its ultra-fine nebulization perfectly hydrates fresh products. With Humifood, you won't just reduce product losses, but increase sales, with products as attractive as if you just set them out on their stands.